Hey, do you want to know how to use Claude.ai in automatic mode? Welcome. You'll see, it's going to be a quick tutorial, but you'll have a blast with Claude. Hello, my kitten. My name is Sebastian Griot. I have been doing SEO since 2009, and right now you are watching SEO Addict. On the agenda, tutorials, tips, tricks, everything for your SEO. So, you know what you have to do. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if you have any questions, the comments are there for that. Today, I am talking to you about the Make AI Cloud module, as I have created a 100% automatic scenario to help you create top-notch content for your SEO. And you know what? I'm going to make the video soon to show you everything inside. But right now, what interests us is cloud. So before we go any further, you're probably going to ask me a question. Am I going to have to pay every time I use Claude.ai? The answer is yes. Yes, like all the AIs on the market today, you pay per token used. What is a token? It is a piece of words. And generally, when you interact with the AI and it responds to you, it will count its tokens, and that is exactly what will charge you. Additionally, of course, it will depend on the model you are going to use. But rest assured, today we are talking about sense, and to be able to conduct the test we need to do today, it's completely manageable. As you might have guessed, to start this tutorial, head over to console.anthropic.com, and here you will create your API key. Click on Create Key, give it a name like SEO Addict, and then click on Create Key. And there you go. Now, you have your key. You will click on copy and we'll meet right away on make.com. And by the magic of editing, here I am now on make.com. So as you're used to, I think you click on plus. Here, you look for your Anthropic Cloud module and you will see that there is only one option, create prompt. From there, you will create your connection. Here you give it the name you want. And there, of course, you paste your key. To do it right, you click on save and we're good. Now that you have your key and are connected to the cloud, it will offer you a few small options. You'll see it's very limited. The first thing is the model to use. Today, what I recommend if you're using Cloud for content writing is to take the latest version. It's really good. So we are going to take the Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. Then we will specify our max token. Here, a small difference with OpenAI, I do not set it to 0 to unlock it, but I will set it to 4096, which is the maximum value it allows. And then we will address our prompt. So here, as usual, I indicate its role as user. I just give him this content type here of text, and finally we give him the prompt that we pass to him. So here it is, I am a prompt, and it is obviously here that you pass everything to him. For example, we say, hello my Claude, how are you? So the idea here, when you are in automation mode, is not to have a conversation with the AI, but rather to give it a prompt. It's all about the variables that you will pass to it based on your project. So typically, what you will see in the tutorial on automation is that we will pass our prompt to Claude, of course, but also include values inside, such as the title of the article we are currently working on. But for the sake of humor, we will leave that aside and move on. Once it's done, I have on one side the message I sent as input. If I expand it, I can see the message I sent, and I have the output, which is the message, the prompt that Claude responded with. Here, I find him and he tells me that he is doing well and is happy that we asked. Thank you, Claude. Well, my little one, the least we can say is that it was still very basic in its use. I take the module and I have just one prompt, one way to use it. But what is magical with the other one is the output we will get. And for what we have to do, it's more than enough. Now that you know what you have left to do, check out all the other videos to learn how to automate your entire SEO. Come on, stay curious.